In this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off YouTube restricted mode on computer. So let's get started. First, open any browser and go to youtube.com. Now log into YouTube account using Gmail ID and password. Click on profile icon located at the top right corner. Now from the available options, click restricted mode. At the moment, activate restricted mode is set to on. To turn this off, simply click on toggle switch. This will turn off YouTube restricted mode on the browser. Note that this is applicable on the current device only. If you access YouTube with same account on other device, then you need to perform same steps to turn off restricted mode. So that is how you can turn off YouTube restricted mode on computer. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.